Good morning, everyone. Here we go. Day 2 is getting ready to take off, and I'm so super stoked about today. Today is our Word Up track. This is all about ways in which you show up for your audience, from attracting clients to monetizing your business Instagram, to many of those ways that you're going to use some of these new tools that we have at our disposal to really hone in on building relationships and social selling. So I'm super stoked for today. I cannot wait for all of this content to unfold as we go throughout our day. Now, do keep in mind the sessions from yesterday will be coming down today at varying intervals, and there are little timers throughout the live pages that show you when those videos are going to come down. Also, make sure that you are aware that the videos from today will be up for a full 24-hour period of time, so you can make sure you do not miss a thing. For those of you who have already upgraded to the All Access Pass, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are going to be making a significant difference in the lives of women and children everywhere who are working to leave domestic violence. So thank you. Building out the AWISH Academy is something that I have been dreaming of doing for many years. And now for the first time, we are able to make this happen. And with your help, it is going to be epic. So I'm super stoked about that. If you have not already done so, make sure that you guys add my email, marissa@bizsystemsummit.com, to your safe senders list. You will be receiving emails from me throughout the process, throughout the week, and I want to make sure that you do not miss a thing with regard to any of the emails that are going out about the summit. That is it. I'm super excited for today. I cannot wait to see you on the inside. Bye, everyone.